Hi students, this is 9th Maths, Chapter 3 Algebra, Exercise 3.7. Find the quotient and remainder of the following by division method. So first write this is a dividend polynomial, this is divisor polynomial. Dividend polynomial contains 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Divisor polynomial contains 2 terms. So write the dividend here. 4x cube plus 6x square minus 23x plus 18. This is constant term, x square term, x cube term. So all terms are present. Suppose any term missing means should put 0 in that particular place. So write divisor here x plus 3. Want to find quotient part. So for that, first step, divide this first term by this first term. So 4x cube divided by first term is x. So cancel this x one times. Here 3x, x into x. So subtract the power. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 4x square is quotient. 4x cube divided by x means answer is 4x square. So 4x square right here. This is quotient. Now multiply these two terms with this quotient. That is our second step. So 4x square into this divisor x plus 3. So multiply 4 into 1, 4. X square into x, x cube. Plus into plus. 4 3s are 12, x square. So this is the two terms right here. 4x cube plus 12 x square. Now change the sign because it is division. We should subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So change the sign here. Minus, plus means minus, minus means we should write plus. So this first term always get cancelled. Second 6x square, this sign only for this term. So 6x square minus 12x square. Don't see this sign. So the greater number is minus. So put the sign minus 12 minus 6 is 6x square. 6x square minus 12x square is minus 6x square. So write one term down. 23x. Again find the quotient part. Here minus means write this sign here. So now divide this first term by this first term. That is our third step. First term is minus 6x square divided by divisor first term is x. Now this x from x square only one x is there. So minus 6x is quotient part. So minus 6x. Now multiply this x plus 3 with minus 6x. That is our fourth step. Minus 6x, that is quotient part. So minus 6x into this divisor. X plus 3. Multiply. So minus into plus, minus 6 ones are 6, x into x square. Now minus into plus, minus 6 into 3, 18 x. So write that two terms here, minus 6x square minus 18x. Now change the sign for this polynomial. Minus means plus, plus means minus means plus. So this first term get cancelled. Now minus 23x here plus 18x. So greater number is minus 23. Write that sign. Now 23 minus 18 is 13 minus 8, 5. 5x. Now write this term here plus 18. divide this first term by this first term. So our fifth step is minus 5x divided by x. Now x get cancelled. Answer is minus 5. Write that minus 5 here. Now multiply this divisor with minus 5. That is our sixth step. So minus 5 into divisor polynomial is x plus 3. So now multiply 5 into x, 5 into 3. So minus 5 into minus plus x minus 5x minus into plus minus 5 3s are 15. So minus 5x minus 15. Next step, change the sign. So minus means plus, here minus means here also plus. Now this 5 minus 5x plus 5x get cancelled. Here plus 18 plus 15, both are same sign. So adding to the same sign. 8 plus 5, 13. Here one carry over, 33. So this is our remainder. This is our quotient. Question is find the quotient and remainder. Therefore quotient is quotient equal to 4x square minus 6x minus 5. Remainder is plus 33. So this is our answer. So this and all you should write in rough column side. Now from first question, third subdivision, find the quotient and the remainder of the following. 8x cube minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. This is dividend polynomial. This is divisor polynomial. See, the dividend polynomial, here x cube term and constant term only here. So remaining x square term under missing. So put 0 in the places. 8x cube. Then x square term is missing. So plus 0x square. X term also missing. So 0x. This is constant term minus 1. Divisor polynomial is 2x minus 1. First find quotient. So for that, first step is divide this first term by this first term. 8x cube divided by 2x. So cancel by 2 table 1 time, here 4 times, x here 1 time, here 2 times. So remaining terms 4x square. We should subtract the powers of variable. So next step, write this 4x square in quotient part. Next step, multiply this with this divisor. So 4x square into 2x minus 1. 4 2s are 8. X square into x is x cube. Here power is 1. So add the power. In multiplication, add the powers. In division, subtract the powers. So 4x square into 2x is 4 2s are 8. X square into x is x cube. Minus, because plus into minus, minus 4 1s are 4. Variable is x square. So write these two terms here. 8x cube minus 4x square. Next step is change the sign. So here plus means minus, minus means plus. So there is a plus 8x cube minus 8x cube get cancelled. Here 0x square plus 4x square is 4x square only. Write down this term 0x. Next find the quotient. For that divide this first term by this first term. So third step is divide 4x square divided by 2x. Now cancel by 2 table, 2 1 times, 2 2s are x square answer. So write that 2x here plus 2x because the sign is plus, that sign only will come here. So 2x. Now multiply this 2x with this divisor. Fourth step is divide this was multiply 2x into 2x minus 1. So multiply 2x into 2x is 2 2s are 4. X into x is x square. 2x into minus 1 minus 2x. So 4x square minus 2x. Next to change the sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus. So now 4x square minus 4x square they cancel. 0x plus 2x is 2x. Write down this term minus 1. Now find the quotient. Further divide this first term back by this first term. Fifth step is 2x divided by 2x. X they cancel. 2 1 times, 2 1 times. So 1 is our quotient. Plus 1. Here sign is plus. So plus 1. Now multiply this one with this polynomial. That is our sixth step. 1 into 2x minus 1. So 1 into anything, the same number only will come. So 2x minus 1 is answer. Write the two terms here. 2x minus 1. Now change the sign. Here plus. So minus means plus. Now 2x plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So answer is 0. Therefore, our quotient is this one. Remainder is 0. Therefore, quotient equal to 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Remainder equal to 0. So this is our answer. This is rough work. Now, fifth question. Find the quotient and the remainder of the following using synthetic division. Using synthetic division. First subdivision, x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. This is dividend polynomial. This is divisor polynomial. In synthetic division, write the coefficients only. Don't write the variables. So here coefficient x cube term, x square term, x term, constant term. So all are present. So write the coefficient only. X cube coefficient of x cube is 1. Here x square coefficient is 1 plus 1. So leave some space between these two numbers. Then leave some space. Then write coefficient of x minus 7. Then write constant term. So draw like this L-shaped diagram. So here write the divisor. For that, find the 0 of the polynomial. X minus 3 equal to 0 means transfer this minus 3 to that side. So x is equal to plus 3. So our divisor is plus 3. So always put 0 here. 1 plus 0, 1. Now multiply this 3 into 1 and write the answer here. 3 ones are 3. So that is 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is only for your reference. 3 ones are 3 into 1 is 3. So write that 3 here. Now don't change the sign. So now add the numbers. Both are in plus. So add and put the same sign. That is rule. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 4. Now multiply. 3 4s are 12. Right here. So 3 into 4. This 3 into 4, 12. So answer is here. Now check the numbers here. Minus 7, here plus 12. So greater number is plus. So subtract and put the greater number sign. Here 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now multiply 3 into plus 5. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15. Right here. So 3 here greater number is positive. So plus 15 minus 3 is 12. So this is our quotient. The last number is quotient. So write this is our remainder. The last number is remainder. Quotient is write in quadratic polynomial because 3 terms are here. This is constant term, this is x term, this is x square term. So quotient is constant term, x square term. 1x square plus 4x plus 5. This is our quotient. Remainder is plus 12. So this is our answer. Without using long division method, so we can find quotient and remainder by using synthetic division method. Now from 5th question, second subdivision, find the quotient and the remainder of the following using synthetic division. Here also write all coefficients only. X cube, x square term, x term, constant term. All terms are present. Suppose one term missing means should write 0 in that particular place. So here coefficient of x cube is 1 plus 1. Coefficient of x square is plus 2. Coefficient of x is minus 1. Constant term is minus 4. So draw like this. What is our divisor? So find the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to, so transfer this plus 2 to that side means minus 2. So minus 2 is our divisor. Now, so write 0 here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Now multiply these two numbers. 1 into minus 2, then plus 2, minus 2. So this place is 0. Now multiply these two numbers. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 0 into anything, 0. So minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Now multiply these two numbers. Minus into minus, plus 2 ones are 2. So here minus 4 plus 2, greater number sign is minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So minus 2 is our remainder. Quotient is constant term, x term, x square term. So quotient is 1x square plus 0x minus 1. Remainder is minus 2. So quotient equal to 1x square plus 0x minus 1. So you leave the 0 term. So x square minus 1 is our quotient. Remainder is minus 2. So this is our answers. So students, copy down these workload sums in your classwork notebooks and do these homework sums in your homework notebooks. Homework sums are from exercise 3.7 from first question, second and fourth subdivisions.